Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a Facebook group on your phone. So go ahead and open your Facebook profile and tap on the profile icon on the lower right. And then what you want to do next is tap on groups under all shortcuts. And here on the upper right, as you can see, there is a plus icon. Just tap on that. And here it is giving us an option to either create a group or create a post. So we're just gonna choose create a group because that is what we want to do right now. And then here just enter any name you want for your group. For example, work from home Texas. And once you're done, just choose the privacy setting that you want for your group. You can choose either public or private, but as of now, I'm just going to choose public because I want to set it up first before letting it go private. So tap on done, and then just tap on create group. Wait a minute, and then here is where you can invite your friends or other people to join your group. So as you can see, Facebook is suggesting friends who you can invite to your group. Another way to do this is by basically searching for people. For example, I'm just going to type in Hannah and look for my friend Hannah. And then once that is done, then just tap on next. And then it'll lead you to this page where you can add a cover photo. You can either upload your own cover photo or just choose from the selected photos below. Once that is done, tap next and add a description to your page. Next, here is when you can choose goals for your group. So if you made the group to meet people, plan and coordinate, learn or share an interest, just tap on those. Tap as many as you like. And once you're done, just tap on next. And here, Facebook would just allow you to create your very first post. And this is what your friends would see or people would see once they join your group. Just tap on post on the upper right once that is over, and just tap on done. And here's the finished product. You can make changes that you'd like, just edit them, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.